and you are one of the first subscribers to this new channel. It's exciting. I'm excited. I can't wait to go on the journey with you. Let's go. Welcome to my channel. My name's Scott Hewish. It's pronounced Hewish. Some people struggle with that. My story is that I started a YouTube channel. It's a cycling parody vlog kind of sitcom back in first lockdown. Since then, I've been on a roller coaster. We've gone viral on TikTok. We've gone viral on our YouTube shorts. Our posts go viral on Instagram. So I've got a behind the scenes channel as well, which was kind of started off with stuff like this video. It's turned into sort of a daily vlog where I've uploaded over 100 daily videos. 100 daily videos. I want a place to share all of that stats. Come and watch the channel grow, see what I'm doing, maybe learn something. I mean, I'm no Nick Nimmin, I'm no Rob Wilson and Dan and that from vidIQ and all the others, Roberto Blake, Catherine Manning. I'm not those guys. I'm like, if you ordered those YouTubers from wish.com, I'm what you're gonna get, all right? It's real, it's raw, it's my kind of style. I feel like we've got a lot to share. I think we've done a lot in such a short space of time. We've got a monetized channel, we've got a vlog channel, we've got a GoPro channel, we've got another channel, we've got this channel, we've got that channel, we've got loads of channels, loads of social media knowledge, nearly 30,000 followers on TikTok. We went viral on TikTok. I will show you stats, I'll show you how much money I've made, I'll show you how I make money out of an unmonetized channel, which, you know, a couple of weeks ago, selling these glasses, I made £800 in 1 week, and I haven't even told my main channel that yet. That's secret. I'm gonna spring it on them. Affiliate marketing, merch. Make me own merch with Rob Man, the merch man.
Welcome to the new channel.
We'll speak to him. I've got plenty of other YouTube friends that I'll break down their thumbnails. I design thumbnails. I help them out with their stats. I help them out with their edits sometimes. I give some advice to new YouTubers. So if you are a new YouTuber, want some advice on thumbnails, anything really, just pop a comment below. We'll do some live streams when I can live stream on YouTube. Already, I've got 21 Patreons. That brings in about £120 a month. So if you want to go over there, support all of my channel. I'll show you all of my tech as well. I'll show you all of my microphones, everything I use. Big cameras if I do any photography, GoPros, drones, tripods, everything. We'll go through everything, all right? We'll go through everything. Maybe you'll learn something, who knows? So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you are one of the first subscribers to this new channel. It's exciting. I'm excited. I can't wait to go on the journey with you. Let's go.